Hey everyone, it is Sillyman here. Today I will be showing you how to add chat tags to your Roblox game. So if you're the owner of a game and you type something in the chat, you will get a special tag next to your name. So let's get started. I'm going to go into starter player, and then inside of starter player scripts, I'm going to insert a local script. And then I'm going to paste the following code, which I will include in the description. So we aren't done here yet. There's still some stuff we have to add, but first I'm going to just explain this code really briefly. So first we create an event for when a player types something into the chat, and then we determine which player sent that message, and then we determine if they are an owner of the game, and then if they're in a group, and then if they're an owner, then we're going to give them the developer tag, and if they're in the group, we're going to give them the member tag. And if they're both an owner and also in the group, then they'll get the developer tag because that is a higher rank. So we check if they are the owner first, and if they are, then they get the developer tag, and then the code here won't run because it's an else if statement. This code here will only run if the statement is false. And if the player is not an owner and also not in the group, then they won't get a tag. Alright, so now let's make the changes to the script. So the first thing we have to do is include the user IDs of the owners inside of this array here. So to get your user ID, go over to the Roblox website and then go over to your profile. And you'll find the user ID here in the link. So just copy that number and then paste it inside of the array. And you can add multiple user IDs here. So if you want to add your friend's user ID, you just space it with a comma, and then you can just type in your friend's user ID. I'll just type something random in, but you would go to the Roblox website, get your friend's user ID in a similar way as you got your user ID by going to their profile and copying the number in the link, and then you just paste it here, separated by a comma. And let's also do the same with the group ID. So if you don't have a group, maybe you made your game on your profile. In that case, you can just leave this as is since you don't have a group. But if you do have a group, go over to the group section on the website. And so let's just choose this group here. Of course, you can choose one of your own groups and then go over to the link and copy the number. That is the group ID, and then paste it here. And I'm just going to call this local script chat tags. Okay, so now let's hit play and test this. So I'm going to type something into the chat. And as you can see, I get the developer tag. Now in this case, I'm the owner and I'm also in the group, but I get the developer tag because that is the higher rank. And to test the group tag, what I'm going to do is just remove my user ID from here. That way the game thinks I'm not an owner, but I'll still be in the group. So if I hit play now, I should get the member tag. There we go. And I'll also show you how to customize the tag. So maybe instead of developer, you want it to say creator. So just change the value here from developer to creator. And then we can also customize the color of the tag. So right now the developer tag, it is blue, but let's say I wanted to make this red. To do this, we need to get the color code of the color you want to change it to. So let's say you wanted to get the color code for red. So what we can do is come down here and type color3.fromRGB, and then click on the color wheel here, and then choose the color you want. So I'll choose red, and then click OK. And then this here is the color code for red. So I'm going to copy that, and then paste that here inside of this RGB value. All right, now I'm going to hit play. I'll type something into the chat. And as you can see, the tag is now red and it says creator. So that is going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and I will see you all in the next video.